Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh Beltran here, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn on how to take leverage of high-ticket affiliate offers with little to no experience. Now I'm going to hand it over to my business partner Joshua Elder, and he's going to show you how it's done.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to give you an affiliate marketing for beginners tutorial. And by the end of this video, I'm going to give you a proven method that's never been released before that's going to allow you to begin building and scaling a highly profitable affiliate marketing business promoting other people's products. So what I want to do real quickly is I want to show you some proof on what our team inside of our Six Figures Partners program has been able to create just in the past short 6 days. As you can see, today is the 6th of October, and we've already done $14,037 here, which is pretty incredible. So if I just simply refresh this page, you guys can see, and this is just the numbers inside of my merchant account. So I'm going to give you the exact formula today that's going to allow you to duplicate my methods and produce results, like you're seeing here, potentially if you actually put in the work. So with that being said, let me give you an overview of what created this result. So I'm just going to jump over here real quickly. And for those of you guys that don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's simply just promoting other people's products and then earning a commission from your efforts. So I'm going to give you a 10,000 foot overview of how this works. And then I'm pretty much going to allow you to copy this whole entire process. Because when it comes to affiliate marketing and beginners that are just getting started out, is that they struggle with building funnels. They struggle with traffic. They struggle with copywriting. And by copywriting, I mean actually selling with words. A lot of people, deal with a lot of these shortcomings when beginning their online business, and they don't realize that they will have to learn all these things to be able to be successful in most programs, not every program. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to create something that was literally plug and play. So a lot of people can't get traffic. We solved that traffic problem. A lot of people don't know how to create a funnel. We solved the funnel problem. A lot of people don't know how to set up offers and messaging. We solved that problem for you. A lot of people don't want to write emails. We solved that problem for you. So I'm going to give you exactly what you need to succeed in an affiliate marketing business very, very quickly, and to be able to quit your job and go ahead and do this full-time, but still working, of course, part-time. And it comes down to, of course, having the right product. Number one, you want a product that's not low ticket, but high ticket, a product where you're going to be able to earn those big commissions off of minimal effort. So the idea here is small inputs, big outputs. Okay. So the way that I've built my business over the past few years is by using and leveraging YouTube, right? Up, to this date, I've got 53,000, almost 54,000 subscribers. And I've been able to take and leverage my subscriber base and my viewers on my videos and produce a multiple seven-figure income over the course of the past few years. And this is the process that I followed. I simply took people from my YouTube videos to this sales process. And again, by the end of this, you're not going to need to create any YouTube videos or put yourself out there on camera if you don't want to. So don't worry about that. Because you're going to be able to duplicate my whole entire process that I'm showing you here. But what you want to be doing is sending them to a sales process. And we use just a simple 3-step sales process where there's an opt-in page that looks something like this, where it makes some sort of promise, or it lets people know, hey, if you enter your name or email address, you're going to get what I'm saying here on the other side of this page. And so what you want to do is give value in exchange for an email address, which is what we're doing right here. So essentially this is how I start and predictably grow 6-figure businesses online part-time, and how you can copy my whole entire process even if you have zero experience. All right, so that's the first step. Once they enter their name and email address, you'll notice this blue arrow. They're going to be added to what's called an autoresponder. An autoresponder is a service that saves email addresses on your behalf. So you having to go out there and email hundreds of people, if you got over 100 people on your email list, and having to do that individually, it's a lot of time and a lot of effort. So you want to be able to leverage your time, right? Small inputs, big outputs. So you want to be able to send out one email to hundreds and even thousands of people. At the time of the creation of this video, I've got an email list of over 50,000 people by following this process. And so after somebody enters their name and email address. They're logged into the autoresponder. They're saved into a service like Kartra or Aweber or GetResponse. And then automatically, they're going to be sent out emails on your behalf, which is cool. So the day that they sign up, they get email 1. The day after they sign up, email 2, so on and so forth. And what these emails do, in case someone doesn't take you up on the offer on the case study page, which I'll show you in just a second, they're going to receive automatic emails to build to build trust, to build, obviously give value, to position you as an expert, to eventually where they decide to obviously buy your product or buy your service. So here's what the case study page looks like, right? Here's a page where I give value, and then I essentially say, hey, based off the value that I gave you here, if you want to know more and you want to, take your business, your life to the next level, all you need to do is click the link below, apply now, and see if you're a good fit for my program. So that's the whole purpose of a case study page and a case study video, is to give value, tell people about your offer, and then if they want to know more about the offer, we jump on the phone with them, we have a personal chat with them, and we genuinely see if they're a good fit. We not only want to see if they're a good fit for us, we need to be a good fit for them too. So it's not a one-way street. It's got to be mutual on both sides. It's kind of like, okay, we're interviewing you, but you're also interviewing us to make sure you're a good fit. Because obviously we don't want to do more work than we need to. We want people that trust us. We want people that are willing to do the work, right? And so from that page, they go straight to a booking page where they can book a call, or they can private message us through Messenger. Sometimes we have that as an option as well. So that's the process, and that's the process I've used again and again over the past few years, and been able to create massive, massive success using and leveraging this process. So my question is how would you like to copy this whole entire process, right? It's really this simple, because all you need to do is master one traffic strategy. And there's a lot out there. There's Facebook, YouTube, Google, forums, Pinterest. I mean, there's so many different strategies out there. I like YouTube because you get the best person through YouTube. Like, for example, I'm building a relationship with you right now. You're able to see my face. You're able to see, understand somewhat of my personality, my expertise. And that builds a bond a lot faster with people. And not only that, when you go to YouTube, YouTube's like a search engine. So people are typing in exactly what they want, and you can give it to them right after they type it in. So people are at a point when they're typing something in a search engine, there's pain there. They want to find an answer, and they're willing to pay for it. And that's why I absolutely love YouTube, except a lot of people don't want to go through the struggle and the pain and a lot of the problems. Like, oh, I'm not going to be, good enough on video. People are going to hate how I sound. How am I going to look? So what I decided to do is I'm like, okay, we're just going to eliminate that altogether. I'm going to allow you to copy my content, copy videos just like this, pass them off as your own, so you can leverage me and my expertise, and not just leverage my videos and copy my videos so you don't have to be on camera, but copy my email follow-up series, copy all my emails, copy this whole entire sales process, all the pages. We're pretty much going to set all this stuff up with you. And so there's not going to be one person left behind that's, going to deal with some technical issue or deal with a traffic issue, because we're actually going to do this together. And I've already proven this to work. You've seen it. You saw the proof just in the past month, even just the past year. Check this out, $302,000. In the past year, using and leveraging the same exact process. And I'm allowing you to copy and paste the same exact process. I've released products in the past where I teach people how to create their own videos, and I had some success stories, but not the amount that I wanted. I want people to literally be able to copy me verbatim, step by step, click by click. I'm going to allow you to copy my whole entire process, copy my traffic source, copy my funnel. This is what the sales process is. It's called a funnel. You'll even be able to copy my sales team that I use to close my sales, so you don't have to do any of the selling or telling whatsoever. Allow you to copy the products that I promote. Everything that's proven in my business, you get to use and pass off as your own. So if you like this idea, click the link below, and we'll talk to you soon.